A lot of people keep looking to buy like a decent laptop, maybe for your business purpose or maybe like office needs, or maybe you're like a guy who travels a lot and you're looking for like a slim profile powerful laptop at an affordable price point. You people came to the right video. Today in the house we have something very interesting from Lenovo. It offers like really good specs and features for the price point. This is their Ideapad Slim 5i Intel 12th gen edition, guys, and as I've told you guys, it has like a very premium sort of look and feel and has like really good hardware as well, and definitely fits in your budget. Today we have like a affordable variant Intel 12th gen i5 model, and that is what we'll be checking out in this video. I'm like pretty excited to talk about this model. And by the way, this video is sponsored by the brand. A big thank you to them. Let's get started with the video. There is nothing much to unbox over here, guys. Came in very simple sort of packaging. I'll just quickly tell you about the contents we got in the package. So in the package you get this Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5i Intel 12th gen laptop. Model is 15IAL7, and along with that you're getting like a 65 watt slim power adapter for charging. Yes, it supports quick charging also, and lastly a mains cord for the power adapter. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me just give you like a closer look at the laptop and talk about the design and the build quality part first. Lenovo's Ideapad Slim 5i has a very premium look and feel. I mean, look at the whole design over here. Clean, modern and elegant is what I can say. Entire body of the laptop is made of metal. You're getting anodized aluminum chassis, and not to miss out, this laptop has also undergone like military standard 810H certification for extra durability and reliability, guys. So top notch build quality is what I can say. Love the look as well. There is nothing on the top lid, just a metal Lenovo logo to the top left corner. So professionals are gonna absolutely love the design, and good thing is it doesn't even attract fingerprints that easily, guys, so that's an added benefit. I mean, look at the whole corners of the laptop, guys. You're getting like beautiful diamond cut chamfered edges and looks quite premium for this price point. If you look at the thickness and profile as well, quite slim profile, guys. It's only around 16.9 mm in thickness, and weight is also like under 2 kgs. It's only around like 1.85 kgs. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and show you all the available IO connectivity ports on this model. Starting off from the left side, you're getting two Type-C ports over here that even supports power delivery 3.0 and DisplayPort 1.2. Followed by a full-sized HDMI port is there, 3.5mm audio jack is also available, and that is pretty much it. There's nothing on the front side as well. And now going to the other side, here you've got a couple of more status LED indicators, followed by a 4-in-1 card reader is also available built in this model, guys. So that is like super useful. And lastly, you're getting two USB 3.0 Type-A ports also on this model. And having a look at the bottom profile of the laptop, this is how it looks like. Very clean design, guys. You have some cutouts over here, vents for air circulation to keep it running cool, and some rubber foot pads on all the corners, and that is pretty much it. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the RAM and storage upgradability part, right? So this particular variant features like 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 megahertz, but it is soldered, guys, so there is no chance for upgrade over here. And coming to the storage, you're getting like 512 GB PCI Gen 4 SSD, guys. Super fast storage, I would say. So make sure you pick the right variant while buying itself. So that was a complete look at the exteriors. Now let me just quickly open the laptop and show you the interiors as well. So there you go, boys, our very first look at the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5i. And first thing I have to mention is you can open the lid of this laptop using a single hand, guys. So that is also quite convenient. Here you are getting like a 15.6 inch 1080p IPS level display with wide viewing angles. And look at the bezels as well. Bezels are very thin on all the sides, guys, especially on the sides. At the top you're getting like a 1080p level webcam, that too with a privacy shutter feature. Whenever you're not in use of the camera, right, simply just toggle this thing and close the camera shutter. Super useful for your privacy, I would say. And that is pretty much it about the upper half section. Now coming to the lower half section, there you go. Here's how it looks like. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the keyboard and touchpad and talk about them as well. Okay, our laptop features a full-size desktop inspired white LED backlit chiclet keyboard and looks quite premium. I've been using this laptop for the last couple of days, right? Keyboard feels very comfortable, and main thing I have to mention is the keycap design, guys. guys. It has a slight curve on the keycaps, they're dished out and feel very comfortable when you're using and typing on the keys. Key quality is also nice and offer a decent key travel. Overall, I had a very good experience and felt quite comfortable while using this keypad. The backlight brightness of this keypad is also easily adjustable on the go using this function key, just like this. And coming to the touchpad, you're getting like a premium glass covered touchpad over here. Decent size, I would say. Easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures and didn't face any sorts of dead zones also in any zone or area. Integrated buttons quality were also nice. We're offering like a clicky feel when I was using them. Not to miss out, the laptop even has a fingerprint sensor integrated in the power button. So that is also there over here. Alright, keeping all this aside, let's talk about the main aspects of the laptop, starting off with the display. As I've told you, our variant of the Ideapad Slim 5i comes with a 15.6-inch 1080p level IPS display, and display looks very good for this price point, guys. I've been using it for the last couple of days and I've watched like variety of content on it. Either it be like web series, movies, YouTube videos, or even my work purpose as well, and was like plenty satisfied over here. First of all, talking about the detail, there is like excellent amount of detail. Now come on, 1080p level resolution at this size offers like crisp and clear detail. Text looks crisp and clear, either it be web pages, or you'll be like very happy and satisfied with video quality as well. Now coming to colors were also nice. It was producing like rich and vibrant colors, all thanks to that IPS level panel. And good thing is you can even use it for your productivity or creative sort of applications as well, like Photoshop or maybe like video editing, right? You can easily use this panel for these sort of applications. And talking about the contrast levels, black levels, everything were on point. And coming to the brightness of this panel is around like 300 nits, guys. So for indoor sort of usage or maybe like office sort of work, it'll easily get your job done. But if you're traveling and you're using this laptop in like outdoor situations, there you might feel the brightness is tad a bit less. But apart from that, viewing angles were like very good over here, guys. Picture looked the same no matter from which extreme angle you're viewing, thanks to that IPS panel. And that is pretty much it, guys. Overall, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the display for the price that you're paying. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the audio quality experience, right? You're getting stereo speakers, each of 2 watts, that too powered by Dolby Audio. Audio quality is very good over here. There's good amount of clarity. You can easily hear all the instruments and dialogues, and distortion is also minimum, even if you go up to like 95-96% volume level. Only thing I felt is audio output was slightly a bit less. Wish it had like a little bit more audio output. I know you people are waiting for this part. Let's talk about the performance. But before that, let me quickly brief you up on the specs of our variant. Our Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5i is powered by Intel's 12th gen i5, guys. So Intel's 12th gen mobile processors feature their all new performance hybrid architecture. Built on the Intel 7 process, it offers 2 types of special cores that deliver next level performance. You get something known as P cores and E cores. P cores are performance cores, maximize single threaded performance and responsiveness of the laptop, while E cores or efficient cores take care of the scalable multi-threaded workload or tasks running in the background. So both these category of cores work seamlessly within the operating system using Intel's thread director that automatically places the right task on the right core, that too at the right time. Our laptop features Intel's 12th gen i5 1235U, which is a 10-core 12-thread CPU having 2 P cores and 8 E cores with a max turbo clock of up to 4.4 GHz. And not to miss out, you're getting Intel's Iris Xe integrated graphics on board. I've been using it as my daily driver for the whole last week and had a great experience so far. Laptop felt snappy, was quite responsive, and can easily handle all your day-to-day applications and work. I ran like a couple of Chrome tabs parallelly, one of them playing 1080p video, others running some websites, and simultaneously did a bit of photo editing as well, accessing emails also at the same time. And let me tell you, the laptop was running like muska, guys. Smooth performance, didn't face any sort of lags or stutters. Good thing is it's even suitable for a bit of heavy applications like video editing also. You can easily do all your basic 1080p video editing on this laptop without breaking a sweat. But don't expect you can do like intense 3D animation, graphics or something like that. No, there is no discrete GPU on this model. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Also, some people might ask about the gaming performance, right? So first of all, let me tell you, this is not a gaming laptop, guys. If you're looking for the same, Lenovo has like a separate gaming lineup. You can refer to my other videos on the channel. This laptop is like mainly made for all the professionals, office work, travel friendly, business purpose, and stuff like that. But just to mention, mentioned, yes, you can play a bit of casual fun games like Dota, CSGO, or maybe like Valorant at low graphic settings. Anyways, moving on, battery life is also pretty good over here. It's powered by a 76 watt hour 4 cell battery and can easily give you a day's battery life. On a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around 60%, watching some YouTube videos, browsing the web, a bit of text editing on MS Office, you can easily get around like 11 to 12 hours of juice. One more great thing is the device also comes with Lenovo's premium care customer support service. So if you're facing any sort of issues or problems, Lenovo's expert technicians will address all your consumer queries. You can check out their link for more details, which is available in the description box below. Well, that is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this laptop. And coming to the price, our variant of the Ideapad Slim 5i costs around 66,990 rupees. And you can easily order it from Lenovo's website itself, lenovo.com. Link for that also is available in the description box below. So if you people enjoyed watching the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.